Hello savages, welcome back to Planet Geezer Coaching off the cuff. I can't see the screen, so I don't know if I'm in. Am I in? Anyway, I've got 10 minutes to do a meal. I need high protein. I've been training hard lately. Again, I've got nothing in the cupboards. I haven't been shopping for ages. There's not a lot to eat. I'm just going to see what happens in 10 minutes and get as much protein as I possibly can. Don't expect nothing gourmet. I'm just going to go for it. Let's go. Right, so I'm going to get the pan like that. I'm going to warm it up, olive oil, and I've found some tofu. I've found this smoked tofu. 31 gram of protein for that block, which is buzzing. I've also got some seitan in the freezer. I've stopped selling this seitan now because it takes too long to make, but I'm going to grab the seitan, slap it with that in the pan, chuck some beans on. I don't know what that's going to be like, and then I've got some nooch. I'll probably find some seeds in the cupboard. What else? I don't know. Like I said, I'm just going for protein. It might taste a bit weird, but right, then that pan should be nice and warm. I'm going to go a touch of olive oil. Don't ask why, but I'm going to chuck in some sesame seeds in. Now this could well and truly put people off a plant-based diet, but listen, I'm not trying to be fancy or gourmet. I'm just trying to get in as much protein as I can. Sesame seeds in, pan's nice and warm, scrambled tofu, bit sizzly, get it in. There we go. Right, while the tofu's sizzling, I'm just going to put in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and I'm going to give that a little stir with the seeds and the oil. Now, like I said, I'm putting some seitan in there, Purito Preps. We're not selling this anymore because it takes too long to make, but there we've got 180 gram of seitan, and per 100 gram you get 26 gram. Oh my god, so this is going to be like, I don't know, 22, 40, it's about 50 gram, 48 gram or something like that. So I'm going to put that in the microwave, blast that up, and wait for it to soften. By the way, I will be doing a video soon where I'll show you how I make it, and obviously that's all high protein, and you can make it, put it in the fridge, put it in the freezer, and keep it for days like today. Right, in there, I'm going to chuck some onion powder like that, throw some garlic like that, also some smoked paprika like that, and then give it a mix. There's a time and a place for eating fancy, and it's a bit like wearing a suit in the house. You only need to wear your smart clothes when you go out. You only need to eat gourmet food when you're out, really, or when you want to cook for someone and make it a little bit nicer. But all we care about is the muscle retention, muscle building and fat loss, which is why we're going for a massively high protein, ugly meal. And when I say ugly, I'm about to throw half a tin of baked beans in with the tofu, and the seitan's going on top. Like that. I genuinely don't know who has got time to not make ugly meals, you know what I mean? We need to get the food in. It's important that we hit the macros. It's important that we eat so many grams of protein per day. That's all we should be caring about. Obviously, like I said, there's a time and place to have a slap up, beautiful meal, but today is not it. Right, it's going a little bit dry, so I'm just going to whack a bit of soy milk in there, even more protein. Oh my word. Beautiful. Right then, so here's the nooch. 5 gram of nooch per tablespoon. I'm going to throw that in. 1, 2, 3. That's 15 gram of nooch in the kitty. No messing. High protein, low cal. A bit of tomato like that. No messing. Again, like I said, we're not here to be pretty. Whack it in, stir it round. Silken tofu sauce, that's like cashewy and cheesy. Obviously more recipes to come. I will start posting sauce thingies, but I'm just going to put a bit of that in there. I'm going to give it a mix and pour some over the top as well. Okay, here we go, no messing. There's the plate. I've give that a mix round with the beanie sauce. I'm going to whack that on there. Like that. Now I'll probably eat most of this, but not all of it, so let's just call it 1.5 meals, because I'll probably eat most of that and then have another bit in a few hours or something. But I've got to leave the house, and there we have a high protein blaster, and I'm not even finished yet. Over the top, I'm just going to pour this beautiful sauce like that, giving it an extra bit of protein. I mean, I'd probably guess that in that sauce I've put in there, there's an extra 5 gram. Now I could be wrong, but from my estimates of doing this for quite a bit, I would say there's an extra 5 gram in there. 28 plus 80% of 28, which is, say, call it 5 grams, so 23 plus 28 is 51 gram just in the seitan. Then in the tofu we got 30 gram, so that'd be 81 gram, plus the beans, 20 gram in a tin, say, so 10 gram would be half the tin. That's 91 gram. Got the nooch, 8 gram for about 60 calories, and then I could even add more stuff on. I could even go and get some, like, you know, I could even get some seeds and bits and bobs, but I'm in a rush and I've got to go. So yeah, I'm not going to put a picture of this on my wall or send it to anyone or slap it on the gram. It's just a high protein blaster. I don't even know what it tastes like, but I'm sure it's going to be good. Just to finish it off, red pickled cabbage to give it a bit of colour and a bit of crunch around the edges like that. Look at that. Oh, now all of a sudden it's gourmet, do you know what I mean? All of a sudden, that is a dish worth slapping on Insta. Look at that. Beautiful. Don't be a wet art. Make your physique better with Plant Geezer Coaching. Thanks for watching. You are not the one true savage.